Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to install VirtualBox extension pack on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. If you have installed VirtualBox on your macOS and you have created a virtual machine, however, if you are facing some issue with the VirtualBox environment, then you can simply install VirtualBox extension pack to fix it. Now to install, first of all, we have to download the file. For that, open any browser and visit virtualbox.org. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide the link in the description box. Here you will find the option to download VirtualBox extension pack. Simply click on accept and download the file. Once the download has been completed, open VirtualBox, click on File option, click on Tools and select Extensions. Now click on Install and select the downloaded file. Then click on Open and here you will get a window to install VirtualBox extension pack. Click on Install, read the license agreement, then click on I agree. Now enter your system password and wait for the installation process to complete. Once it gets installed, you can simply close the VirtualBox environment. Again, open VirtualBox. Now when you try to open the virtual machine, the issue you are facing will be fixed. So that's it. This is how you can install VirtualBox extension on macOS. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.